The Sun, our closest star, is a massive ball of burning gas that provides light and heat to our planet. It is located at the center of our solar system, around which all the planets, including Earth, revolve. The Sun is essential for life on Earth, as it provides the energy needed for plants to photosynthesize and for animals to survive. The Sun is a giant nuclear reactor, where hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. This energy is emitted in the form of light and heat, which radiates outwards in all directions. The Sun is so massive that its gravitational pull keeps all the planets in orbit around it. The Sun is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with trace amounts of other elements. It has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, which is about 109 times the diameter of Earth. Despite its immense size, the Sun is actually a relatively small star compared to others in the universe. The Sun's surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, while its core temperature can reach up to 15 million degrees Celsius. The Sun's surface appears yellow to us, but it actually emits light in all colors of the spectrum. The Sun's light takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth, traveling at a speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second. The Sun goes through a cycle of activity known as the solar cycle, which lasts about 11 years. During this cycle, the Sun's magnetic field changes polarity, causing sunspots and solar flares to appear on its surface. These solar flares can release huge amounts of energy into space, sometimes causing disruptions to satellites and power grids on Earth. The Sun also emits a constant stream of charged particles known as the solar wind, which flows outwards in all directions. The solar wind interacts with the Earth's magnetic field, creating the auroras that can be seen near the poles. The Sun's magnetic field also extends out into space, creating a bubble known as the heliosphere, which protects the solar system from harmful cosmic rays. The Sun has been shining for about 4.6 billion years and is expected to continue shining for another 5 billion years or so. Eventually, the Sun will run out of hydrogen fuel and start fusing helium, causing it to expand into a red giant. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a dense core known as a white dwarf. The Sun has been worshipped by civilizations throughout history, with many cultures viewing it as a deity or a symbol of power and life. In modern times, scientists study the Sun to better understand its behavior and its impact on Earth. Satellites and telescopes are used to observe the Sun's surface and track its activity, helping us predict solar flares and other phenomena. In conclusion, the Sun is a vital source of energy and light for our planet, sustaining life and driving the Earth's climate. It is a fascinating and powerful object in our solar system, one that continues to captivate and inspire us with its beauty and complexity.